नमः शिवाय. रामबाई.
पार्वती
उनका फोन में प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने भी सुबह में उनको नहीं मिला. मुझे लगता jokes are also don't get spoiled. That is the proper way to go.
सर थोड़ा इकडे क्रॉस होतो. यस. थँक्यू सर.
ओम नमः शिवाय.
ओम नमः शिवाय.
Yes, sir. Sir, come. Yes, sir. Correct.
To welcome our today's chief guest by presenting him a bouquet and a memento. Yes, sir. To please welcome our today's chief guest by presenting him a bouquet and a memento.
Take this opportunity to introduce you all to our today's chief guest. We are blessed to have with us today an eminent sports personality, Professor Balaji Panduranga Zadav, as our chief guest. Zadav sir has to his credit many degrees and laurels. He has successfully completed his MCom and MPhil. He has qualified for the SET examination in the year 1994. He stood third in Shivaji University for the MPhil degree. He has worked as a teacher in physical education at Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Physical Education from the year 1994 to 1996. He is a director of physical education at Vidya Bhavan College of Commerce since July 1996 to date. In sports, sir has represented Shivaji University in athletics and cross-country events. He also represented the Solapur zone for sports like hockey, kho-kho, chess, softball and kabaddi. In NCC, he has attended RDC certificate. He has also completed his course of NSS. In addition to the above designations and laurels that he holds, he is a member of selection committee of Savitribai Phule, Pune University for cross-country and pistol shooting. He is a member of selection committee of Pune City Zonal for cross-country hockey, football, cricket, chess, softball and swimming. So we are indeed lucky to have him here for one of our very important events, and we are sure that he will definitely be a source of inspiration to not only our little ones but our parents too. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Mrs. Shanti Chareja ma'am will present an annual report for the last academic year 2018-19.
To one and all present here, I welcome today's chief guest, Professor Balaji Zadav, and our honorary joint secretary, Shri Suresh Sandle sir, AI System Society, and I thank both of them to grace our function with their precious time. I present the annual report for the year 2018-19. The school will open on the 15th June at 8 a.m. for its academic session. Last year, we added soft boards to the classrooms. We took a new public address system and installed big 2 dustbins in the school premises. Last year, our school student strength was 858 students, where 167 students were admitted under 25% RTE provisions 2009. They get free education from the school. Now, for the activities, I don't think so I'm the right person to speak out. What activities we do, my 2 kids will tell you all. I call Rudra and Luke.
To brief you regarding the various activities held in the year 2018 to 19. The activities in our school are planned in such a way that there is holistic development of the students. Yes, we have education of body, mind and soul. Can you explain? For education of body, we had animal sports meet organized on the 28th, 29th and 30th of November 2018. Various track events and team events were organized for the students of standard 1st to 4th. 8 students participated in 3rd Open National Taekwondo Championship 2018, organized by Karate Sports Club, Harangi Taekwondo Academy, Kharadami. Health and hygiene workshop for students, medical check checkup, the school held medical checkup of students from standard 1st to 4th from the 25th August to the 31st August 2018 as per SS code through the professional doctors of St. Tarachand Charitable Ayurvedic Hospital, Rastavet, Pune 11. Measles and Rubella campaign. The school vaccinated 734 students out of 858 students under the measles and rubella eradication drive on the 7th December 2018 and 25th January 2019, sorted by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of India. Health and hygiene workshop was conducted in school by ITC Savlon to induce behavioral change amongst children via fun activities that encourage healthy habits. Students were trained in as how to clean wounds and inculcate the habit of washing hands. Free sample of sabon and wash bottle was given to every student. We had examinations as per the rules according to the correct evaluation system. More emphasis was given on all-round development of the child rather than only theory exams. Olympiad examinations, International General Knowledge Olympiad, 59 students participated in the International General Knowledge Olympiad examinations. 58 students participated in the National Science Olympiad examinations. 63 students International English Olympiad examinations organized by Science Olympiad Foundation, New Delhi, held in the month of October 2018. The school topper received gold, silver and bronze medals respectively. 13 students qualified for the second level of examinations and received participation certificate. For education of all, we had co-curricular activities, daily assembly. In the school begins by offering prayer to the Almighty. In the assembly, the students sing the school song, national anthem, in chant prayers. Students are also encouraged to present thoughts and use speech on special occasions, celebrations and competitions. Various celebrations and competitions were conducted round the year to enhance the hidden talent of our students. Various competitions were held encouraging healthy competitions and all-round development. Annual gathering. The school celebrated the annual gathering on the 22nd December 2018 in the Nehru Memorial Hall, Pune. Sri Rahul Yadav, Member Governing Council, AISSM Society was the chief guest for the function, who gave away the prizes of academic excellence. Former headmistress Mrs. Sunita Sharma and presently the headmistress of AISSM Society's Sri Shivaji Preparatory Primary Boarding School, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. 5. Introduced the Best Girl Award. Miss Idisha Kulkarni was awarded with rupees 5,000 cash and a trophy sponsored by Mrs. Sunita Sharma. 418 students participated in Navneet Yuva Master Stroke All India level competition at the school organized by Navneet Publishers, Mumbai. 8 students drawings from Group A, Standard 1st to Standard 4th, to Standard 3rd, and 2 students drawing from Group B, Standard 4 were selected best entries from the school. 152 students participated in coloring and handwriting competition organized by Kalavika Sanstha, Ratnagiri at school. Miss Vidisha Kulkarni from 4th A participated in the Marathi storytelling competition organized by Maharashtra Education Society's Bal Shikshan Mandir, Deccan Gymkhana, Pune 4, held on the September 2018. Standard 1st and 2nd students participated in Apsara All India Good Handwriting Contest at school, and 1st, 2nd and 3rd prizes were given to students from each standard respectively. Full to Smart competition by Sakal newspaper, Budhwar Pet, Pune. 64 students participated in it, out of which Master Amey Bodkar, 3rd B, received a travel bag, which Shreya Devpule, 2nd B, received a water bottle. 62 students received a sport bag. Thus, 3rd week and our teachers were busy throughout the year in various activities for the all-round development. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, you made my job very easy. Thank you very much. I am thankful to the society and the parents for supporting us to carry out all these things.
Vandana Bhairat and all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our today's chief guest, Professor Balaji Jadhav, Director of Physical Education, Vidya Bhavan, College of Commerce, Pune. Sir, we are honored by your presence. Also like to thank to all dignitaries of the dais. As we share the yearly updates of our activities, we take the modesty to state that we did our best to do as we had planned, and we are proud of our students and teachers who strive hard to achieve beyond our goals. We have focused on the holistic development of the students. To avoid lengthy presentation, the report will be a nutshell of all. The academic session for the year 2018-2019 started on 15th June 2018 and ended on 30th April 2019. The intake of the school was 416. Academic achievements. The curriculum is based on SSC board. All aspects of academic are taken care with due emphasis on interactive learning. We focused on academic excellence to strengthen our students' abilities to perform and achieve good grades. Academic results. Nursery playgroup 100%, junior nursery 100% and senior nursery 100%. The school toppers are honored and awarded. Co-curriculum activities. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are motivated to participate in various competitions. The school conducts 17 co-curriculum activities. All are planned right from the beginning of the session. This helps pupils to be confident. Some of the celebrations are Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, Daihandi, Makar Sankranti, Teachers' Day,